bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the
Okay, so here we are with the X7 setup. We have the laser pointing at the photosensor. You really can't see it with this light on. If I turn it off, you can see it's right there. It's pointing right at the photosensor. So basically, in the field, we'll have it set up just like this. Obviously with, a little different mount, but something similar to this, with the photosensor right there. And if we turn around and look right now, we basically just have the red dot laser sitting on top of the stereo, and that's going to be our motion detector, more or less. And we'll just pan this back. We have that light off. Going to turn the light back on, and we're going to record myself walking in front of this laser. So, there you go. I tripped it. I gotta make sure I don't do that in the field, because that will not be good. It's too cool. Okay. There we are. I'm just going to set it up. I'm just waving my hand in front of it back here. Let's try to get a better setup here. Turn that light off down there too. Let's see. I just got shot. Oh, shot again. So I would just be walking and bang through the woods, and we just have our little setup. That is just too much. You can see, I'll turn this other light off as well. So now all you can really see is the red dot. See, is a big strip. Like we said, after it fires 5 times, it waits. That's a 6th shot, so it's going to wait. And it's going to be in constant contact with the laser for 2 seconds. And after it gets that, it'll rerun itself. And that's so if we get in the field and let's say a leaf fell in front of it, or the laser gets tipped over, or whatever the case is, this doesn't sit here and continue to fire over and over again. See, now it's off, and even though that the laser is tripped, it's not going to fire again. It's programmed that it needs to read that light for 2 seconds before it reruns itself. And once it reruns the program, it will now fire. And you see, even a split second. So there you go. That is how you make a laser-activated paintball gun. Beginning to end. Full instructions. Hope everybody has fun with the setup, because I know I will. Team Synergy in the house, teamsynergy.com. Check out Team Synergy for more videos.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.